In this video, we are going to show you how you can turn on or off your notifications in chess.com. If you want to get more notifications in chess.com, you're not getting any, or if you want to lessen it because you're getting too much because you're active, it's quite simple. Log into your account, and once you are signed in, look towards your lower left corner and click on the settings or cogwheel icon like so. This pop-up will appear. Click on all settings like so. All right, now that we are in the settings page, you want to click on notifications. It is on the lower end of the options. And here you can actually have a lot of options when it comes to notifications. So when it comes to manage all channels, you can just allow or not allow anything. Make sure that you want to take all of the notifications or type of notifications you want to have. For example, play, if you're playing with, a game that has more time per turn, you might want to click my move in daily chess, or I receive an award, you can do that. And when it comes to social, if you have any friend requests or new messages, you want to tick that. New friend requests, you can do that too. Comments on content I follow, you can do that too. So again, you can just tick this off or just enable it any which way you want. You can customize it as much as possible. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We will see you on the next video.